I'm doing a short track today. I am staying in New Plymouth, and the New Plymouth Coastal Walkway is right alongside the camp I'm staying at. I've been staying at this camp here, which is the Belt Road Seaside Holiday Park, and this weekend has been a hiking weekend, but I did bring my bike because here's the coastal walkway right here, so it'd be a shame not to do it while I'm down, so I'll just have a quick spin out there and have a look. Really enjoying this ride. It's a cool city ride. Got the coast on one side and the city of New Plymouth on the other side. The wind wand. Not too much wind today, not much movement up there. This beautiful wave bridge, when it's not cloudy, down at the end you would see Mount Taranaki, which is fantastic in the viewfinder, but it's not going to happen today. I've come about halfway along the ride and I'm going to stop here and turn back because I need to get back to the campsite and pack up my tent before the checkout time at 10 AM. On the edge of town now, the ride carries on for another 7 kilometres or so. It's a magnificent ride, so if you're in New Plymouth, even if you're not a bike rider, hire a bike and come and do this ride. And if you've already done this ride, you've either ridden it or walked it, just say yes in the comments below. And if you're looking for more rides, maybe a little bit more remote than this one, check out my trail rides playlist. This is gorgeous sculpture. The 4 fat ladies looking out over the sea. The sea view. Isn't that wonderful?